The Grumpy Cloud and the Thankful Snail. Grumble, the cloud, was perpetually grumpy. His days were spent grumbling. His showers were grumpy gray droplets, and even his thunder grumbled. No sunshine dared peek through his gloomy cloak, and the world beneath shivered from his icy rain. One day, a tiny snail named Sunny crawled out of a daisy. He looked up at Grumble with glistening eyes.
"Excuse me, Mr. Cloud,"
he said politely.
"Your rain is making it a little hard to see my way to the dandelion patch."
Grumble scoffed. "Well, why don't you just build a roof, little critter?" He grumbled, unleashing a particularly grumpy downpour. Sunny, instead of shivering, smiled. He wiggled his head so the raindrops bounced off his shell like tiny jewels.
"Oh, but your rain makes the most wonderful puddles for splashing,"
he exclaimed.
"And when the sun peeps through, they turn into magical rainbows."
Grumble blinked. He hadn't seen a rainbow in ages, not through his own grumpy fog. So he parted his gray curtain a tiny bit, just enough for a sliver of sunlight to peek through. And sure enough, there it was, a shimmering rainbow arcing across the sky, reflected in 100 sparkling puddles. A strange warmth spread through Grumble's grumbles. He squeezed out a cautious raindrop, not a grumpy one, but a curious one. It landed on Sunny's shell, then another and another.
"Thank you, Mr. Cloud,"
Sunny beamed.
"Your rain makes the prettiest puddles ever."
And suddenly, a strange thing happened. Grumble felt lighter. His grumbles turned into soft chuckles, his raindrops into gentle showers. He wasn't Grumble the grumpy cloud anymore. He was Grumble the grateful cloud. From that day on, Grumble still sometimes grumbled, but only when needed. More often, he rained happy showers, leaving rainbows and sparkling puddles in his wake. And all it took was a tiny snail named Sunny and a simple "thank you" to change a grumpy cloud's whole sky. I hope you enjoyed the story. Now let's move on to our multiple choice questions to check your comprehension. Number 1. Why did Sunny the Snail approach Grumble the Cloud? A. To complain about the rain. B. To ask for sunshine. C. To ask for help finding the dandelion patch. D. To tell him he was grumpy. Correct! Letter C. To ask for help finding the dandelion patch. Number 2. How did Sunny change Grumble's perspective on his rain? A. By reminding him of rainbows and puddles. B. By criticizing his grumpy raindrops. C. By building a makeshift roof to block the rain. D. By telling him how much happier the sun made everyone. Correct! Letter A. By reminding him of rainbows and puddles. Number 3. What happened happened to Grumble after Sunny thanked him? A. He went back to being grumpy and raining only icy droplets. B. He learned to appreciate the beauty of his rain and started making rainbows. C. He felt threatened by Sunny's positivity and hid behind a larger cloud. D. He apologized for being grumpy and promised to only rain sunshine from then on. Correct! Letter B. He learned to appreciate the beauty of his rain and started making rainbows. I hope you learned something from the story. See you next time. Goodbye!